Hello, my name is Michiharu. Nice to meet you all. Excuse me for my English. I live in Japan, so to be honest, I don't get to speak that much. And as you have probably noticed, it's my second language. I'm very interested in the relationship between the mind and the body. So my career goal is to explore this area and help people recover from musculoskeletal pain. I'm particularly interested in the body-mind technique called the Alexander technique. Um, Something about myself, I like singing. I have been singing my entire life, and I think it takes away my stress from work. I also like running in the morning. I think it's such a joy. I'm sure this course is challenging, but I'm very excited to take this class. It was nice meeting you all, and God bless you.